Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to restore file in trash folder on Google Drive. Now let's get started. First, open your Google Drive and then in here you just click on three lines icon at the top and click on the trash. If you wanna restore this file, it's simple, so you just click on three dots icon and click a restore. Click a three dots icon and click on a restore, and then after this you can back and see files has been restored. So that's how to restore file in trash folder on Google Drive. And I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy video content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.